we start, please make sure to subscribe to this channel and hit the bell icon to turn your notifications on, that way, you won't miss a single upload. Range and efficiency are set to define the electric era. Outstanding range will make electric cars suitable for every journey and will speed adoption. Exceptional efficiency will create a virtuous circle of battery size and weight reduction, allowing us to go further with less. Mercedes-Benz is determined to lead the way. But Mercedes-Benz is not resting. Driven by the idea of zero impact on our planet and a highly responsible use of green energy, we inspired our engineers to go above and beyond. They are working intensively to take range and efficiency to a whole new level. The VISION EQXX is the result of a mission we set ourselves to break through technological barriers across the board and to lift energy efficiency to new heights. It demonstrates the gains that are possible through rethinking the fundamentals from the ground up. This includes advances across all elements of its cutting-edge electric drivetrain, as well as the use of lightweight engineering and sustainable materials. Complete with a barrage of innovative and intelligent efficiency measures, including advanced software, VISION EQXX allows us to explore new frontiers of efficiency. The journey to electric mobility is a road trip, as exhilarating as it is challenging, as unknown as it is certain. The Mercedes-Benz VISION EQXX is a vehicle designed for that road trip. It answers the progressive demands of a modern generation of customers for an emotionality through innovation. Part of a far-reaching technology program, this software-defined research prototype was engineered by women and men with the creativity, ingenuity and determination to deliver one of the planet's most efficient cars, in every respect. They did so using the latest digital technology, the agility of a startup, and the speed of Formula One. The result is an efficiency masterpiece that, based on internal digital simulations in real-life traffic conditions, will be capable of exceeding 1,000 kilometers on a single charge with an outstanding energy consumption of less than 10 kilowatt-hours per 100 kilometers, efficiency of more than 6 miles per kilowatt-hour. By ripping up the automotive engineering rule book, Mercedes-Benz has built a software-driven electric car that reimagines the road trip for the electric era. At the same time, it presents a highly progressive interpretation of the fundamental Mercedes-Benz principles of modern luxury and sensual purity. Rather than simply increasing the size of the battery, the cross-functional, international team focused on maximizing long-distance efficiency. They pulled out all the stops in drivetrain efficiency, energy density, aerodynamics, and lightweight design. The VISION EQXX is an exciting, inspirational, yet completely realistic way forward for electric vehicle technology. In addition to its groundbreaking energy efficiency, it offers meaningful answers to pressing issues. For instance, sustainable materials throughout cut the carbon footprint considerably. Its UI/UX features a radical new one-piece display that comes to life with responsive real-time graphics and spans the entire width of the vehicle. Other elements of the UI/UX help the car and driver work together as one, and even use technology that mimics the workings of the human brain. And the software-led development process that delivered it revolutionizes the way electric cars are designed. This car is one outcome of an ongoing program that is delivering a blueprint for the future of automotive engineering. Many of its features and developments are already being integrated into production, including the next generation of the MMA, the Mercedes-Benz modular architecture for compact and medium-sized cars. Mercedes VISION EQXX concept debuts with slippery body with great aerodynamics and incredible 621-mile range. After months of teasing, the Mercedes-Benz VISION EQXX concept is finally here as the brand's expression of the pinnacle of automotive efficiency. A production version is also on the way. The EQXX's impressive efficiency allows it to cover over 621 miles, or 1,000 kilometers, on a charge. This would be enough to go from Berlin, Germany, to Paris, France, without needing to plug in the sedan. Mercedes claims the average American driver would only need to recharge the vehicle twice a month. Mercedes isn't disclosing the capacity of the EQXX's battery beyond saying that the figure is less than 100 kilowatt-hours. The company touts a few impressive details about the pack though. It has 50% less volume and is 30% lighter than the one in the EQS. The maximum system voltage is 900 volts. The battery in the frame that carries it weighs around 1,091 pounds, or 495 kilograms. Power comes from an electric motor that makes 201 horsepower. Mercedes says that the powertrain is so efficient that 95% of the energy ends up at the wheels. There's a solar panel with 117 cells is on the roof, and the vehicle uses it to power many of the ancillary electric systems, like the blower for the HVAC system, lights, and infotainment system. A separate lithium iron phosphate battery stores the energy. In ideal conditions, this tech can free up 15.53 miles, or 25 kilometers, of range. To slice through the air, the EQXX has an ultra-low drag coefficient of just 0.18. The body is smooth and has a teardrop shape running from the roof to the tail. The frontal area is actually lower than even models from Smart. Mercedes incorporates lots of tech to make the sedan so slippery. For example, a combination of air curtains in the front bumper and wheel covers eliminate aerodynamic separation along that corner. There are also active cooling shutters in the front grille that only open when necessary. At the back, a rear diffuser deploys at high speeds, but fits seamlessly into the body when not in use. The ultra-low rolling resistance tires come from a collaboration with Bridgestone. They have aerodynamically optimized sidewalls that work with the wheel covers. Inside, there's a seamless display that spans 47.5 inches, or 120.6 centimeters, from A-pillar to A-pillar. It has an 8K resolution and runs a navigation system with 3D graphics that can depict a city from a satellite view down to a height of 33 feet, or 10 meters. The cabin also makes extensive use of sustainable materials. This includes fabric that uses biosteel silk-like fiber, vegan leather that comes from mushrooms, animal-free leather from pulverized cactus fibers, and bamboo-based carpets. Mercedes is not offering any details about when it plans to adapt the EQXX concept into a production-ready vehicle.